What's up, this is your boy Reggie Beatz. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up your WordPress hosting and domain using Cloudways. On the previous video I've showed you how to use Hostinger, but I've just migrated to Cloudways because even Sona themselves, they recommend Cloudways for their MP3 Player Pro because Hostinger uses a light speed server which sometimes can give some hiccups and hitches to the Sona MP3 player. But right now my beatstore is running smoothly. So if you're on Hostinger and you're using Sona MP3 player, I'll recommend that you move to Cloudways. And there's also a way to migrate. Like me, I didn't do anything. I didn't have to copy files. There's a plugin that Cloudways just provides for you to migrate. Alright, so let's get it, and the link for this, just click in the description below. And the great thing is that Cloudways gives you 3 days of free trial. Man, that's crazy. I've never seen a hosting service that gives you 3 trials. So when you get to this page, you're gonna go to pricing, and then you're gonna scroll down, and then you're gonna select this one. That's the one that I'm using, and my beatstore is flowing. Click on start free, and then just create an account. Very simple and easy. I'm gonna continue with Google, and then I'm gonna select my email. Alright, cool. I'm gonna quickly set my password for my Cloudways. Alright, I'll describe myself as a digital agency, $0 to $50. Got a promo code, no. Click on agree. Alright, cool. Once it's done, you're gonna be brought to this nice dashboard. All you gotta do is just choose the server size. So I chose I started with 2 gig because I don't want to pay a lot, because as you move you see that the higher you go, the more money you pay. So I wanted to go to 1 gig, but then he said that it recommends 2 gig because 1 gig is for website staging for low traffic websites, and I want to get a whole lot of traffic on my Beatz. So I'm gonna take it to 2 gig. Then you have to select the location. I'm gonna select the New York location because most of the people who buy my Beatz are from the USA, so it's better that the server is just close to them so you can activate immediately. Then click on launch now. No need to enter your credit details, you just launch now. That's dope. So if you use the link in the description below, you will get 25 free hosting credits for Cloudways, so make sure you click on the link. Alright, cool. So now you can see here we have the server, and my server is being prepared. It will take around 7 minutes. It's very user friendly and very quick. So I'm gonna fast forward now. Alright, cool. Now you can see it's done installing, and you can click on it. It already set up our WordPress application. So if you click on this, your application, it will take us to the WordPress access details. So as you can see, these are all the WordPress details. This is the URL for my WordPress, my password. If I click on this URL here, it will take me to a WordPress website which is blank. As you can see, this is the website, and that was done so quickly. To log into the admin dashboard is pretty simple. You see here it says admin panel. You just click here. I like the way that they made everything so easy, man. So now I gotta enter username and password, and you're gonna find them right here. You can just click to copy. So easy. Shout out. Paste, copy, then paste. Alright, then log in. Okay, great. Now you can see I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and I've used Cloudways to do this. Okay, so that's how you set up WordPress using Cloudways. And if you want to connect your domain to this Cloudways domain, there's instructions from Cloudways which are pretty simple. If you want me to help you with it, put in the comment section below, and I will make a video showing you how to connect your domain, as it's a very simple process. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you learned something. Let's go.